this is the beach in Ventmiglia. It's a 10 minutes walk from the train station, and it's pretty nice here, but they don't have hostels here in Ventmiglia. That's why I can't stay here for a night. But I really love Ventmiglia. It's a quite cool place. I like the beach. I like that it's not that busy here. And yeah, I can definitely recommend coming to Ventmiglia, even if it's just for a day. I really like it here. To me it looks really beautiful. The mountains and the buildings, everything looks beautiful to me. It's right at the border to France. It's a small city, Ventmiglia. Now I'm going back to the train station to catch my train to Nice. It's in, I think, in 20 minutes. And that's the plan. I just dropped my brand new GoPro, which I'm filming on all the videos. It's pretty new. I bought it a couple days ago, but shit happens. It still works though. It's okay. I mean, yeah. What's really cool and what I noticed so far is that in Italy you can just go to a restaurant and ask if you can use the bathroom, the toilet, and they always say okay, no problem. In Germany you have to be a customer to use the bathroom, and if you are traveling with your luggage, with your backpack, you don't have time to search for a public toilet. So sometimes it's really hard, but in Italy it's cool because they just allow you to go and use the bathroom. Bought my ticket to Nice and now I'm going to the platform. I'm in the train to Nice. From here it's gonna take 40 minutes or 45 minutes to Nice, and then I'm going to the beach to meet a girl who's also doing content creation, and we're probably gonna film something. It's super windy, and now I'm going to my hostel and then to the beach.
heures, t'as capté?
Il m'a dit bah c'est ça.
I need to. I need to.